Okay, we have another one that is a cotangent graph, and we have one that the period is going to change. So we don't have a phase shift on this one, but we do have to find out what my new period is. In the last video we talked about the formula for this to find the new period is going to be pi divided by b. So let's find the period. So period for this one is going to be pi divided by 1/2. So that's pi over 1, and then we have to flip the fraction and we're multiplying it by 2 over 1, and we're going to get 2 pi. But the main thing I want to look at is noticing what's happening to all my normal key points. I got to multiply all of them by 2. So whatever number you get after the pi, that's going to tell you what you're going to multiply by with my key points. So you want to look at these key points because these are the ones that I would have for a normal cotangent graph. So it's saying that my normal key points, which are all these, I have to multiply each individual one by 2 because that's what this is saying. The 2 would be like a scale factor. So again, pi is my normal period. I got to multiply everything by 2. By doing that, it's going to give me all my new key points. So I'm starting with these, and every single one of these I'm just going to put a 2 and multiply each by 2. So if I take 0 times 2, and then pi over 2 times 2 over 1, and then pi over 1 times 2 over 1, and then 3 pi over 2 times 2 over 1, and then finally 2 pi over 1 times 2 over 1. I'm putting 2 over 1 next to each of these key points. 0 times anything is 0. The 2's cancel here, you get pi, and you get 2 pi for this one. The 2's cancel, you get 3 pi, and then finally you get 4 pi. So these are my new key points. The first one, the middle one, and the last one are going to get the vertical asymptotes because again that's how it worked with my original cotangent graph there. And now I can redraw it with these new key points. So this time the 0 is going to be one of the key points. Then I have pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and 4 pi. And the 2 pi and the 4 pi and also the 0 over here, those are going to get the vertical asymptotes. My cotangent graph, I don't have any negative this time, so it's going to be what the normal cotangent graph will look like. It's going to look like this. It's going to look like a negative cube graph, and so it always crosses halfway here. This pi and 3 pi, those are always going to be your x-intercepts. Again, the 3 here would be a stretch, but again we're just drawing a quick sketch of this one, so in order to show that 3 accurately we would have to plot a couple points, but we're just going to show this as your basic sketch.